What is going on, everybody out there in YouTube? You are with the Crypto Lifer. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Today, I'd like to give you a breakdown and an update into Bitcoin. I want to do a daily update into Bitcoin every day so you can come here in the morning, just see what's going on with Bitcoin. Well, right now, I'm looking at the 4-hour, which is a very strong indication of a chart, and we have a double bottom here on the stochastics RSI, which is a great sign. Also, with the blue line pointing up, we also see that the MACD did not have a lot of bearish momentum. It really didn't. We had bullish momentum with a lack of bearish momentum. That's telling me that there's buy pressure here for Bitcoin. Also, I'm looking at this and I'm looking at the RSI in a falling wedge, which is soon to break out. And it's kind of just coming down below the dotted line. These are pretty big signs for me that Bitcoin is on its way to 29,000 even. You can see the measured move is the length of this pole here up to about there. That puts Bitcoin at about $29,000. Yep, you guys got it, $29,000. It's also kissing the 21-day moving average. This is very healthy. Here when we got away, you said, okay, we're gonna have a retrace. Sometimes we come down here, but we went sideways. This too also tells me there's buy pressure. Whenever we come to meet the 21-day moving average, but we come to meet it in a way that's either lateral or even slightly pushed to the upside, very, very good potential that we're going to continue and break out of this rising wedge in a parabolic manner. So there's a very, very high chance, even though these break out 32% to the upside and they mainly break to the downside, I'm going to say there's a higher chance and higher probability that we go to $29,000. Opening up a long position right now for Bitcoin at the bottom of this trend line with this wick up would be something that I'm considering doing. I believe around 23,600 would be a good entry for Bitcoin to ride it up to 29,000. So that's something that I'll be doing. If you find that interesting, if you think that's cool, please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the like button. Let me know in the comment section if you like this trade, if it's something that you would take, or if you disagree. Let's look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is ready to go too as well. On the bottom, pushed up. This is beautiful for Sunday. When I see the 1 hour and the 4 hour ready to go, makes me excited. So bottom of the trend line is where I like to get in. Bit of a double bottom forming here as well, as you can see that. This is looking very, very, very bullish. Let's look at the daily. The daily is getting overbought. Okay, so we are seeing possible pullback for the daily. Right now, if we zoom into the MACD, it's still pointing up though and has yet to turn. When it turns, then we'll know that things will change. But so far, so good. Let's look at the 3-day. The 3-day had this push up. Let's see if we still have it here. We do. We were going to have a cross, but it said no way. We had a lot of bullish momentum here. So things are going really, really well for Bitcoin right now. 3-day and the daily, yeah, they're a little sketchy, but not too bad. 4 hours telling us and the 1 hour is telling us that we're going to have a bit of a green day coming. So watch your USDT pairs. I'm not sure which alts will moon compared to the BTC pairs. The USDT pairs will definitely go up in value today. They're going to get brought up. I want to bring up something to your guys' attention. It's MahaDAO. It was talked about by Ivan on Tech, and you know he has a huge following. So he kind of pumped this coin, in my opinion. It's up 48% now at this point in 24 hours. Looks like it's going to continue. Let's take a look at MahaDAO for you guys, just to throw in a little extra bonus for you. And we look at it on the wrap ether, and you can see it is just absolutely erupting. Little sell pressure right now. Not much to see. You have to use the 5-minute. Forming maybe a possible double top. A little bit of bearish divergence there as we have a swing up to swing down. Stokes are turning back up, so we'll see. Right now it's forming that rising wedge, similar to Bitcoin, honestly. Bottom of the pattern here. Could it break out parabolic? You know what? This thing is already starting off like this. This is its day one. It came out literally 2 days ago. Let's take a look at the percentage this thing has gained already since it came out and how long it took. It's up about 526% already in 2 days. Wow, that's amazing. And it's continuing to grow. If we look at it here, I bought 98 of them for around $540. So I've already made over $200 on the trade. And you're showing you, this is kind of how I watch the price. You just kind of keep a swap ready and you'll see the price keep changing. And that's a good way to check the price as well on Uniswap. You can buy this on uniswap.org. And if you're not sure how to use uniswap.org, what you do is you go to uniswap.org. First thing you're going to do is uniswap.org. It's going to say launch app. You're going to click on that, connect your wallet. If you don't have a wallet, go to metamask.com and download a MetaMask extension to your Chrome browser. Okay, and then This is the only interesting thing here is, see MahaDAO? You're gonna go to MahaDAO here. I could put the link in the description, and I copy the contract address, okay? And this is just speculation if you wanna see the price. I'm not saying if you wanna buy, but if you wanna see the price, this is what I do. So you hit here, and then you paste in the contract address, which is Maha, okay? You hit max. You select the token that you wanna sell for. I sold out of USDC, so I'd like to put in USDC. I put in that in, and it gives me the value here that we're at. And I was in at 545. I could get out right now at 778 overnight for a gain of about 50%. Really nice. So MahaDAO looking really good, honestly. Also, if you're new to Uniswap and you want a more in-depth tutorial, please hit the link right here, and that will take you to my Uniswap tutorial. And Ivan on Tech already put a target on the back of this coin. So look out for MahaDAO. Look out for Bitcoin to continue its move. And so my target for Bitcoin as well is $29,000. You can see, hope we break out of this falling wedge. I'm gonna open up a position about right now with a tiny stop loss right here, about 2%, because if it falls out of this pattern, it's gonna turn into a Bart Simpson head, and it's gonna come probably all the way back down to 19.6. Will we break 20K? I don't know. Hopefully that will hold, but this is the level that I see here on the chart. We went up really fast, so we don't have a lot of resistance in this area. So the next place we come back down is 19,000, about 800, 850. But you know what? I'm more bullish than bearish, but you always have to have a plan just in case. And this is my plan. This is a great risk to reward ratio. We're going to risk 2.4% to possibly make 23%. That's a 10-to-1 risk reward ratio. So there's no reason why we shouldn't take a little gander on this, maybe make a play. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like my content, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit that like button. It means the world to me. If you like the content that I'm creating and you'd like to learn from me, know that I also do tutoring one-on-one. Please join my Telegram in the description below and DM me to find out more. Thank you guys so much.